Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking to the certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz 2019 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a denim blue metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, a silk beige MB-Tex interior with a natural grain oak wood trim, panel sunroof, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, backup camera, media display, hard keys for the radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This GLA has 21,924 miles, Carfax and service records available online. To view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.